Hey everyone! Welcome back to Health and Wellness Hub. If you're new here, you're in the right place to start your journey toward a healthier, happier life, right from the comfort of your home. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy and simple home workouts that anyone, young or old, can do to feel stronger and more energized every day. Let's dive in. These moves are beginner-friendly and don't require any fancy equipment. First up, seated marching. Sit on a sturdy chair and lift your knees one at a time like marching. This gets your heart rate up gently and improves circulation. Perfect if you spend a lot of time sitting. Next, wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, and do push-ups. This builds upper body strength without straining your wrists or shoulders. Now, try chair squats. Stand in front of a chair, lower yourself until you almost sit, then stand back up. Great for legs, balance, and mobility. For heel raises, hold the back of a chair for balance and rise up on your toes, then lower. This strengthens your calves and improves stability. And finally, arm circles. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles. This loosens up your shoulders and boosts blood flow. Now, why should you stick with these simple exercises? Because staying consistent means more energy, less pain, better mood, and a stronger body, helping you enjoy life fully, no matter your age. It's about building habits that keep you healthy today and tomorrow. To help you get started and keep going, here are my top 3 home workout essentials. Resistance bands. Lightweight and perfect for adding gentle resistance. Adjustable dumbbells. They grow with your strength, letting you challenge yourself safely. Non-slip yoga mat makes floor exercises comfortable and safe. Plus, a little extra boost from vitamins. Multivitamins with vitamin D and magnesium. These help keep your energy up and your muscles and bones strong. I've linked all these great products in my Amazon store below, and every purchase you make helps me keep creating more helpful videos for you. Your support means so much to me. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it. Tell me in the comments which workout you're excited to try, or if you want more tips. And make sure to subscribe to Health and Wellness Hub for weekly videos packed with easy ways to stay healthy and strong. Why subscribe? Because this channel is all about helping you and your family live better lives, no matter your age or fitness level. Plus, subscribers get early access to exclusive tips and giveaways. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, Health and Wellness Hub is designed to meet the needs of every family, helping you live healthy and stay strong, both young and old. Take that first step today. Your future self will thank you.